An essential part of maintaining the quality of our eyewear is to clean it properly. So I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to care for your glasses. One of the things that many of us reach for is our shirt when we go to clean our glasses. And this can be damaging because of the dirt and the oils that are in our clothing. So be careful of that. And then also be careful of paper towels or napkins. These are readily available, but they can be damaging to the lenses and can cause scratches. Also, household items, cleaning items are not good for our lenses. Something like Windex that cleans a window really well would make sense, but it just is not good. It can actually damage our lenses over time. Those anti-reflective coatings that are on those lenses can be affected and damaged by household cleaning products. So I'm going to give you some simple tips of how you should clean your lenses. One of the simplest ways is just to clean with water. So you can go to your sink here and you're just gonna wet both sides of the lenses, and you're gonna use your finger pads to break up that debris and grease that is on the lens. You wanna wipe down the whole frame while you're at it. And then from there, you're essentially just drying the lens with a microfiber cleaning cloth. Don't use paper towels like we said before, and be careful of using those toxic chemicals on your lenses. You're essentially just drying off this lens. If you don't have a cloth nearby, you can always let it air dry, but the best solution is that microfiber cloth. Another option is to use some kind of eyeglass cleaner spray. So what you're gonna do, same idea here, you're gonna spray all the sides of the lenses and the frame, and then you're going to wipe it down with your finger pads, once again, breaking up all that debris and dirt and oils that is on the lens, and then you're essentially just wiping it away with your microfiber cleaning cloth, safely removing the dirt. And if you're like me, often it's the grease, even more so than the dirt. So you have to make sure you're using a clean microfiber cloth. You can wash these. I usually wash it by hand, and if you want to throw it in the dryer, you can, or the best solution is to let it air dry. So you can make sure that these maintain their softness and the ability to remove the grease. So there's lots of different options when it comes to lens cleaning spray. I have a solution here where you can actually buy a hair misting sprayer, and then you fill it with mostly water and then just a few drops of detergent. It just needs to be a fragrance-free, lotion-free detergent. It can be like Dawn dish soap or your preference of dish soap, and you're gonna add that, just a couple drops into the bottle, and then you have a nice cleaning spray that's gonna be safe for your lenses, but also easy to refill, and it will keep your glasses clean all the time. Now remember, always, whatever solution you're using, you wanna use those microfiber cleaning cloths. So I'm gonna spray once again, got a pair of sunglasses this time, and I'm going to wipe it off with my finger pads once again. And then we're going to wipe it with a microfiber cleaning cloth. Thank you for watching The Glasses Guy, and today we learned how to maintain our glasses. How do you clean your eyewear in a safe, simple way? So take it with you, subscribe, like, share with your friends, and you can expect more videos like this soon.